Hey, welcome back to Camping and Coffee. Glad you're here. Today, I am replacing this item right here. Yep, I'm doing the latch thing again. We're basically taking this one off and putting one of these on there. So I called the manufacturer again of those locks, got the exact locks, got the key the same. So I'm gonna do the same thing and I'm working on it over on the other side. Let me show you. So started on here, basically took that lock that you saw off. And the reason being why I wanted to do this, if we're out camping and I had to unlock that, I didn't want to have to lock it back up just to get into this storage area. I mean, we got stuff in here. I didn't want to have to do that. And it would set literally just like this, open. That's not good. So what I thought was, I called up, like I said, got the new latch, made a little template for it here. And so now I am putting it on. So I just want to show you, it's very, very easy to do. This is it. I just drilled my 4 holes that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a jigsaw, cut this out, and then I will literally show you. It is going to take just a couple seconds to put this on. Okay, so take it out. Super easy. There it is. Cut it out, drilled my hole, cut those out. Cool thing I like about this particular one now, not that you all have it, but you could buy these. You'll notice they're already threaded. This is way better than the ones that I bought for the previous camper. Took it down, got some screws that fit this, the right thickness. So we are good to go there. And now all I have to do is literally screw this onto the back. Put this part on there just like that. Go in there, screw, connect, and it is done. And that's it. That is how you do it. Like that. Just testing it out. I only had stuck 2 of them in here just to make sure it's going to work, but I just want to show you really quick. Like that, look at that. Like a champ. That's what we're talking about right there. Oh, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Close that thing in there. Done. Perfect.